everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Cancer, okay, Cancerians, and this is I have started doing the reading for water signs. Okay, so let's check it out. What's going on? What's coming up for you in the month of October in career and relationship? Okay, so first career. Let's see. First career. Okay. Career. Okay. Relationship. Okay. Relationship and relationship. I'm going to shuffle it again. Okay, so in career you want to reach to a higher position in the month of October. You are working hard day and night towards reaching to a higher position, maybe a particular goal, maybe a higher job, higher managerial position in your job, or becoming the CEO or the leadership, becoming the business, becoming the entrepreneur into October, or thinking about it, leaving a job and thinking about the new beginning. Okay, you're waiting for reaching to a higher perspective or higher financial goal, or in your career life you are waiting for it. You are waiting for the right time, because the new beginning is coming within next 4 months to 1 year. You are going to start with something new beginning is on the horizon. Maybe a new career option, maybe expanding of a new business, okay, or becoming an entrepreneur, leaving a job, or reaching to a higher positional level. Okay, so it can be anything, but yeah, you are reaching towards it. Okay, you are moving away from deceptive energy, negative energy, complicated situations in your career life, in your work life, in your financial life. Okay, the people who were manipulative, the people who were very sneaky in your life, you are moving away, staying away from those people. Okay, and clearing a getting a clarity about the situation. Okay, the next is you are also working hard towards gaining a lot of clarity in your career life. What is the process you want to achieve? What is the goal you want to achieve? You are aiming high. Okay, and how you want to proceed further. So there is a very proper strategies you are planning. Okay, contemplating on it. Okay, that how you want to proceed it further, how you want to achieve a particular desire or a goal in your life, in your career life. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, you are waiting for a new beginning related to a relationship. Either asking doing a proposal, or someone is asking for a proposal, starting something new, a new phase in your relationship, or a new person is entering into your life. Okay, new energy, but yeah, new person is new beginning is on the horizon when it comes to relationship, Cancerians. Also, I just think that you are very confused related to certain people in your personal life, in your relationship. There might be karmic people involved, karmic connections, toxic people, negative people, manipulative people. Okay, so stay away from them, because you know it, but sometimes you feel that you are stuck into a situation, okay, where a lot of environment, negative environment is there around you. Okay, in your personal life. Okay, also, I just feel that you are working hard towards others, thinking about others, but not working towards you. Self love, there's a lack of self love and self care in your personal life. Okay, so the people, there are few Cancerians who are thinking to start a business. Okay, so if you are thinking of starting a business, you can either join a saloon, start a business in saloon, doing a job in saloon, or start with cosmetic or jewelry business. Okay, that will be very fruitful for you. Okay, so yeah, if you are planning to start a business or a career option, okay, so you can think about it. But yeah, self-love and self-care is needed, because you are not doing that much of self-love and self-care, Cancerians. Also, guys, if you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have Vastu consultation and energy consultation, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you are on a right path. Whatever you are working towards, Cancerians, you are on a right path, or whatever option you are opting in your work life, your path is correct. Okay, you need to spend time with nature. Go for a trekking, go for a rejuvenation, go for a retreat. Okay, you need a break. You need to spend time with nature. Okay, your love life, your life purpose involves helping each other. So there are your whatever business or career option you are choosing, no, I think there are students involved into that into that business or into your career path. Okay, you need to spend time definitely with nature. Okay, I feel that is really needed for you. Okay, angels are guiding you, some angels are protecting you. So whatever risk you are taking in your future, no, then angels are going to protect you with their the particular vision or the result of it. Okay, so yeah, which is very good. So let's check it out, what's going on in your love life. Okay, what's going on in your love life, what's going on in your love life. Let's see. Oh, free yourself. You might be dealing with toxic people, karmic cycle, karmic connections around you in your personal life. Okay, it may be family members, neighbor, or third person, or your spouse or your partner. Okay, so if you are dealing that way and feeling suffocated in a relationship, this is a time to free yourself, Cancerians. Okay. Yes, you are being very passionate. Passion is involved in your relationship. Allow your heart to sing. So you have to be very passionate when it comes to, or you are very passionate about someone. Okay, there are people who are in separation or thinking about each other, either physically separated or emotionally separated. Okay, but yes, a reconciliation is possible either from your side or your partner's side. Okay, so a reconciliation is possible if you are in separation. Okay, and you need to focus on self love, self care, which you are not doing. I think self love and self care is really important for you right now. You need to stay optimistic for your love life. Okay, if you think that romance is there's a lack of romance in your personal life, you need to be very positive with your relationship and stuff. Okay, you cannot be like, nothing is working out or something like that. For others of you who are single, a new soulmate is entering in your life. Okay, your new person, a new person is entering into your life. And for others who are in separation, either physically or emotionally, or few of the Cancerians, there are children, your love life is, or your romantic life is being affected by children. Okay, so you need to think about it. Okay, how to sort this out. But yeah, this was a very beautiful and a very positive reading. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.